fellow arcade enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today I am looking at a Pac-Man board. Just took it out of the box. This one is being converted to Miss Pac-Man. So I'm going to do it on board. We'll convert this thing to Miss Pac on board and repair it. A lot of maintenance to do, be done. You got caps. This is a pretty nice board, actually. It's nice and clean. This is a very nice board. Shiny. Okay. Original Midway Pac-Man. Okay, so this has Miss Pac-Man ROMs right here. Pac-Man Speed Up. But it's missing, it doesn't have anything else with it. Let me go check and make sure that this doesn't have an auxiliary board in the box. Let me go make sure of that. Because this looks like it was already Miss Pac-Man. Because it's got Miss Pac-Man ROMs. So if this, if it has a auxiliary board in the box, then we'll use it. Be right back. Okay, no, there is no auxiliary board in the box. But I have these, and I've had these. Just kind of, I programmed these one time and to get one of these going this way, and then ended up reconverting it back to regular Pac-Man, and I just kept these ROMs instead of erasing them. I kept them. It's Miss Pac-Man with no auxiliary PCB ROMs, which I don't think I need these ones. I think these might be the same, these two, but there's 6 ROMs up here, and this is probably not fast. I take it as the speed up chip is right here, so I might have to program the fast chip for there. I'll make it fast because it's fast right now. It's got a speed up chip in it, so I will keep it that way. So first things first, we'll find out what this thing's doing. I'll put a Z80 in it. It doesn't have a Z80. So I'll throw a Z80 CPU in it, pop this thing in there, and we'll plug it in and see if it does anything. Okay, got it all hooked up. No, I don't. I gotta hook this up. Let's just kind of get this up out of the way. That is a coin. And I am hooking it up to my AC setup because I want to make sure that the voltage regulator and stuff is working. I'll get my meter out. I got it hooked up to the monitor parts. Okay, that's hooked up right. That's in right. Everything should be good to go. So we'll go ahead and fire it up. And I'm going to watch my fuses on my transformer assembly. It's actually working. Yeah, it's working. There we go. And 4.96 voltage is fine. Yeah, this board's working. I think it's just a conversion. We're going to convert it to Miss Pac. But over on the monitor, I don't know if you can see. Tis working. We'll see if the sound works and all that stuff. Oh yeah, it works. It's just got the wrong character ROMs, but it works. Works 100%. So we're going to do maintenance and convert this thing to Miss Pac. All right, and I have finished with the work on the board, the maintenance, all the sockets and everything. These are the ROM sockets and the CPU. The CPU socket and the 28 pin and all of the ROM sockets, all 6 of them. Okay, and we back off and kind of move that. Here is the board, complete. Just I really don't like how that light works like that. I don't like it. Anyway, yeah, this is the board. All the new sockets, new caps. I got new caps in it everywhere. Sockets here, caps. Cleaned up. I cleaned the RAM chips, the legs on the RAM chips I cleaned. So I need to do, there's a modification to the board I have to do. There will be a trace, there will be a wire running from about right here over, routed through here, and it'll be about right here-ish. So I'll do that, and there's a cut or two that you have to do, and then we'll be back. This thing will be good to go. I also reflowed these diodes. The solder on the back side was a little cracked. It was, you know, a little cracked out. So, all right, I'll be back. All right, I have the jumper run. It goes from right there up through here, routed through here, and right to that via. And that via is cut. There's a cut, trace cut right there, so it doesn't, that trace is, it's cut. I had to do a trace repair right there, those 2 traces. And on the back side, there's some stuff that you have to do. Jump this, and you cut this trace here. Let me grab something to point with. My pencil. Alright, this trace right here gets cut. This trace gets cut. And this trace gets cut. And you jump this select pin to, this is the outside ROM, so that is going to be to pin 6 of this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then pin 5 goes to the first ROM. Pin 21. That's it. I am just heating up my glue gun as I'm going to tack these I'm going to tack these down a little bit. Right there, just one glue glob right there. And we'll put my ROMs in there and we'll be ready to fire it up. Shiny, nice and shiny this board is. Clean. It's beautiful. All right, be right back. All right, I have this thing put back together, and the RAM that were in it, one of them failed. So, 'tis working. I have my customs in the board, as I like to use those when I'm testing. But yeah, look at this. Nice. Now I do have to program a ROM, a fast ROM, for this thing, because it is slow, as you'll be able to see. Actually, I'll go ahead and... Oh, that's loud. Right. Yeah, see? So, yep, I have to program a ROM for making it fast and find out which one of these RAMs are bad. One of them has kind of a broken leg. It's probably the one it was. These things were really just rusty and pretty nasty in the board. I tried cleaning them up, and they this one, see, had a broken leg. I soldered back on. That one might be bad. One of them has kind of a broken leg somewhere. One of these somewhere. One, two, three, four, five, six. I thought one of them did. Maybe not. Oh yeah, had the same one that had a broken leg. The same one that had a broken leg before that I soldered a leg onto has a broken leg. It's not terribly broken, but it's broken nonetheless. These RAMs, I don't know. They're too nasty. You know, they're just too nasty, I think. I don't know. I'll think about that. Anyway, it is working, but I do need to program the fast ROM for this so that it goes back. It had a fast ROM in it. I'll send it back with a fast ROM in it. So, yeah, that's going to do it. So I'll do that. And then we'll come back after that ROM's in the thing, and we'll do a little play testing with the... I'll put the, whatchamacallits in it, the little cardboards. The little boards here, I'll put those in there, kind of tie them in with zip ties, do some playing, and then we'll wrap it up. All right, we have our cards back in, strapped in. Everything that's tied, needs to be tied, is tied. I burnt the fast ROM. I basically just erased the chip and reprogrammed it. So, same chip, different program. Running on AC, the regular Pac-Man transformer. And there it is. Going fast. So I'll hook the... I'll put this up on the tripod and we'll play a game of Miss Pac-Man. Try to get to the first intermission so that we can hear our jingle. All right. Here we go. I'm out of control. Coming up. Intermission. Here it is. Nice. Okay, I could play this game for quite a while with the settings. Five Guys and Fast Miss Pac-Man. Yeah. Let me go turn the lights on. Perfect. Well, there you have it. Miss Pac-Man. Without that pesky auxiliary board. Newly refurbed. I had to replace 2 RAM. Basically, the legs fell off of them. I replaced all of the sockets. I replaced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 EPROMs. These were here, and this one was here. I think this one was here. No, yeah, it was here. Theirs is in here. I got this is the one that was in it when I got it. I'll just keep this one and I'll erase it and put it up. These are all the junk parts, the old caps and everything. I'll throw those out. Here's one of the EPROMs, the ROMs that was in it. Not an EPROM, it was a ROM. When I removed it, all the legs came right off of it. A lot of the legs did. Just rotten. Yeah, so nice. Alright. That is gonna do it. I had to replace the CPU as well. It didn't have one. It was missing a CPU. Yeah, caps, sockets. Did the modified this thing to eliminate the auxiliary board. And the great thing about this mod is you can just put Pac-Man ROMs in here. You don't have to undo this mod. This wire, you don't have to undo it. So yeah, that's it. And as always, thank you all for watching, supporting the channel. And I will see you on the next Classic Arcade Repair. Bye for now.